Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I have covered what digital marketing is and why it is important. And as promised earlier, in this video, we are going to discuss what are the types of digital marketing. If you are a beginner and you want to start your career in digital marketing, or if you want to grow your business, this video is for you. Digital marketing is not one thing, but it includes different methods, different strategies to grow your business online and grow your audience organically. What we are going to cover in this video is first, which is SEO, search engine optimization. The second is social media marketing, which is known as SMM. The third one is email marketing, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, which is called PPC, pay per click. So let's start one by one among these topics. So we will start with SEO. SEO means optimizing your website so that it appears on the first page when you will search any keyword. So let's understand by taking an example. Like if I will search the keyword digital marketing course, or if I search the best digital marketing course, so in that case your website will appear on the first page, that is SEO. SEO includes keyword search, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. It is best for long-term growth and organic traffic. Social media marketing means to grow your business or to share your content on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, etc. There are so many social media platforms in which you can grow your business organically. How we can use? We can make the reels on it, we can share as a story, we can share as a post, we can run paid ads on it, and it is best for brand awareness and engagement. Now, the third one is paid marketing, or the PPC, that means pay per click. Paid marketing means running an ads on platforms like Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Instagram. You pay only when someone clicks on it. That's why it is called pay per click. And it is best for quick leads and instant sales. Here we have content marketing. As you can understand by the name content, that means we are creating some information or an informative video or the post, whatever it is, that means a content marketing, which we can say that blogs, videos, reels, podcast, and so many things are covered in content marketing. The goal is not direct selling, but to build trust between your audience and your product. Email marketing. Email marketing means sending emails to your audience. It is for offers, updates, newsletters, and promotions. It has one of the highest ROI in digital marketing. And why it is best? It is best for customer retention and repeating customers. Now we have affiliate marketing. Now these days the affiliate marketing is very popular. You are selling someone else's product or services, and in this you will earn a commission on every sales. For an example, Amazon affiliate program. It is just for the part-time income or the passive income, you can say. You will earn a good commission on each sales. Now, influencer marketing. Brands pay influencers to promote their products authentically, and it is best for the trust, fast brand visibility. Which digital marketing type is best? So as an answer, there is no such specific digital marketing type which is best, because it depends on your budget, on your skill. Here is the pro tip that if you're a beginner and you want to start in digital marketing, then you can start with SEO, SMM, social media marketing, content marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, I will explain you how to start a digital marketing from scratch. Comment below which digital marketing you want to learn first. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you a happy new year from Advertica Marketing.